Very good day to all. I'm K.Bakiyaraj, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of MBA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So last previous class we were discussed about introduction to management, that is definition of management and what are the different levels of management and what are the different responsibilities has been assigned for management, and next one, what are the features of management. Now we are going to discuss the topic about what are the important the skills has been required for the manager. In other way, what are the skills has been adopted for the managerial skill. So there must be different skill has been adopted. First one is technical skill, next one is human skill, next one is conceptual skill. So first important the skill has been fulfilled by the managerial skill or fit for the manager. First one has been conceptual skill, next one is a human and technical skill. So what do you mean by the technical skill? Any persons, a person has be very good knowledge in the domain, and they can able to make the more effective use of all the resources and proper process and the techniques, and they constitute its own the technical skill. For example, the engineer, the accountant, the data entry operators, the lawyers, and the doctors. So these people has been unique, specialized in their area. So they are very good and sound in their own sound in their knowledge on their subject knowledge or the domain skill. So this skill has been fit in for every manager under the name that we call as a technical skill. Second important skill has been fulfilled as for human skill. So human skill, an individual ability to cooperate with other members for the organization and they work effectively in all the teams and associated with this human skill. For example, what are the human skill has been fit in for corporate? One is interpersonal relationship with the workers and solving the people problem and acceptance of the others of employees. So these skill has been put in for every managers under the name we call as a human skill. Third important skill has been put in for conceptual skill. So every manager is very good in the knowledge, good in sound and knowledge about the particular domain, about the particular concepts. This is one is termed as a conceptual skill. So these skill has ability of an individual to analyze the complex situations and they rationally process and interpret available informations. Yes, called as in conceptual skill. For example, every managerial people has been very good in idea generation and he can able to analytical process for setting informations or basic thoughts. And next, what are the different role has been given for every managers? First, a role has been fit in for interpersonal role. Second one is informational role. Next one is decision role. Now, what do you mean by the interpersonal role? So, interpersonal role, he's been very good in some aspects, such as he's been very a figurehead, as a leader, as a liaison. So, what do you mean by the term as a figurehead? So, it is the ethical guidelines and the principles of behavior employees or we follow in their dealings with the customers and suppliers. And define the term as a leader. A leader can able to can able to give the right commands and orders to the subordinates and when took the right decision making process by their own. It is a word is given as a leader. And a liaison. A liaison is a person is coordinate between the different departments and establish the alliances between different organizations is as a liaison, or in other way we call as him. He is an intermediate persons to intercommunicate with all the informations and messages and orders between two different group of people as a liaison. Second important, the role behind by the managers about the informational role. So he should be very good in some few aspects. One is a monitor, and second one is disseminator, and next one is spokespersons. So what do you mean by the monitor? And he is only the right person to evaluate the manager, evaluate the performance of the managers in different aspects and different functionalities. Is monitor. Monitor is evaluating or assessing human manpower in the right aspects. Disseminator He's a person has been communicate to all the workers in the organization with the right vision and the purpose with the right time, a disseminator. And spokesperson, he want to give a speech to inform the local communities about their organizational future's intention, or spokesperson, he want to convey the message in right medium and with the right mode as given as a spokesperson. And next one is important decision role, as every manager has to be take the right decisions wherever he want to take necessary part. One is he want to act like an entrepreneur, and next one he want to be act like a disturbance handler, and very important he want to be act in such a case for resource allocator, and last one is he want to be act for the as a negotiator. So these are all the various important role played by the different managerial activities for different functions. Thank you